In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Apex Legends won't install error, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So what you want to do is open up this PC, go to local disk C or the drive where you have Apex Legends installed at, open up the program files x86 folder, open up the Origin Games folder, open up the Apex folder, now open up the installer folder, okay, and open up, go to DirectX, go to Redist, and now double click on DX setup, click on yes, accept the agreement, click on next, and wait for it to be installed. This shouldn't take long, just a couple of seconds. And there it is, it says installation complete, click on finish. And the second step on how to fix this problem is to open up the Origin launcher, click on yes, go to my game library, now right click on Apex Legends, click on game properties, and make sure that the enable Origin in-game for Apex Legends box is unchecked. So if it's checked, what you want to do is just uncheck it and click on save, and you can now play Apex Legends and you can now download it and update it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Thanks for watching again, and bye.